Yesterday morning, Alofi North ladies showcased their handcrafts leading up to the village show day this coming Saturday. As the display date was changed, not many people realized that the event was on. However, according to the Member of Parliament for Alofi North, Mrs. Vainga Tukitonga, the event was changed in respect to one of the most respected members of the Women's Council, Mrs. Alita Hipper. This year, two main products for the women to compete in were the cloth patchworks as well as clutch bags made from pandanus leaves. Even though visitors arrived late, the displays were fantastic, with some visitors commenting on the quality of products this year that have moved up a notch. Most interesting also were the products created by the elderly women above 75 years. Alofi North Show Day will take place at the Paliasi grounds this coming Saturday. And those are our news stories. We do hope that you'll be able to join us again for our next news bulletin next week. Don't forget to go on up to Paliasi to check out the Alofi North Show Day as well as the final Sevens Rugby Tournament from the Niue Rugby Union. We'd like to wish all the teams and the village of Alofi North all the best for this coming Saturday. Pena hata tolo da vala tar tupu ni kwa mo mai galata I mo FF nei amna ke liu ke fwe be nei ke fahitap ka hau. Wani mata mata ke nanga ke o tuai ke ka flata hangi ha flata ta he manga ko alof te lo he ha fo yume ni hanga wat kiai. Wani mo foki ha yai e te fwe la kapi ke fko sia ke te fwe fitu ke lata I mo tau nei amna ke monuina e o ke fahitapu no no fa muni po to liu ke flevea.